Why is Earth a habitable planet? What kind of planet is Earth? Earth is a terrestrial planet. Terrestrial planets are Earth-like planets made up of rocks or metals with a hard surface. Terrestrial planets also have a molten heavy metal core, few moons, and topological features such as valleys, volcanoes, and craters. The inner planets are terrestrial planets. The inner planets are the ones that are the closest to the sun. Those planets include Mercury, Venus, Mars, and Earth. So those 4 planets are the inner planets known as the terrestrial planets. What makes the Earth habitable? Well, the Earth is the right distance away from the sun. It is protected from harmful solar radiation by its magnetic field, and it is kept warm by an insulating atmosphere, and it has the right chemical ingredients for life, including water and carbon. This just shows you this is the solar system's habitable zone. And so you can see here that there is the 4 planets, and like right here is Earth. And so it's not too close to the sun, but it's just the right distance away from the sun to make it habitable for. Alrighty, and that is it.